Hello, everybody. This is a test to see how well this microphone works. See how well what's it called? The N the NW800 Newer microphone. All the tests that I've done, all the mini tests that I've done have proven to be pretty good. So as a gaming test, I'm going to be playing a game that I did not think that I would like when I downloaded it, but have come to realize that I really like it. A game called World of Warships. And I'm going. My favorite ship lineup are the Japanese ship lineups. So I'm going to be playing as a Kuma 4. I think that's a 4, might be a 5. The Kawachi 3 is pretty cool though. Wait, can you get rid of that? There we go. The Kawachi 3 is cool because it's the one battleship that I have. I have the Hashidati, which is basically just a little baby uh, destroyer. But my favorite ship so far has been this tiny boy. Well, it's a big boy. It's a pretty big boy. Yeah, it's a pretty big boy. Got some torpedoes on the sides and some shooty bang bang things. Let's play. I'm not great at this game. Keep that in mind. But a game is a game, and games are fun. Well, hopefully the games are fun. If it's not fun, then it kind of defeats the purpose. But and I apologize if my keyboard and mouse is loud. I'm still trying to. Oh, there's another Kuma on my team. There's another. I'm still trying to get all the calibrations and settings correct, so please forgive me. So if you heard that, if you look at this right here, I'm pressing the W, and that's making me go up to the full speed. So then I can press Q or E or A and D. Q and E does like a permanent turn, and A and D just does a turn while you're holding down the key. And we're going. Torpedo Alley. Very true. Alright. Yeah. Good luck in fair seas, everybody. I might turn up the audio just a teensy bit. I don't know what that, yeah, I don't know what this does either, so, okay. Should be good. Sure. Let's. I'm gonna go with this guy. I'm gonna go with this rather small cruiser. I'm a slightly small cruiser too, so I guess I can't really say much. But I don't know. I'm gonna go to the outside of where this guy's going, cause he seems smaller and faster. There's like no sound at all. I apologize. Sorry, I got quiet. Okay, that's a bit better. I'll turn everything up a little bit. Gunfire sounds kind of cool, so. Alright. That seems good. Alright. Let's do a hard turn here. Oh. Yeah, there's just torpedoes everywhere. Okay. And fire. Oh, jeez. That has never happened before. That was strangely gruesome. Yeah, and I see those torpedoes. Gotti. Ah, oh, come on. Oh, maybe I did get him. And yes, just out of reach. Alright. All good there. Fire and fire. Oh, I should also mention that some of these are bots. Not all of them are. Some are bots, some are knots. Got him. Nope, shoot, shoot, shoot. Oh, shouldn't have gone this way. Well, I died. This is a quick match, but, okay, fair enough. Figured that I would, yeah, these two seem to be really good. I don't think these are bots. They might be. No, those are definitely not bot names. Well, yeah, usually, like, names like those are usually, like, bot names. But, yeah, things like that. But yeah, this is the Battlefield. It's a very beautiful game, very beautiful map. Didn't think that I would like this game this much, but I am. And, let's see if any of these torpedoes make it. And they do not. They just miss every single one. Is this the one that shot the torpedoes? Yes, because they have torpedoes right there. Oh, and now he's on fire. Yeah, this battleship is definitely going to take him out. Yeah, this was just a test of your emergency broadcasting system.